Hi, James with Mobility Quad. Here are some of the features we have with our new 2025 Polaris Ranger 1500. This particular unit has a crane which will load up to 500 pounds into the bed of the unit, which is a nice feature if you're a hunter. As you've seen, the ramp extends out. It's a power ramp also. It has an easy lock on a track system that allows you to adjust forward and back. This seat also comes down for additional passengers, or it's in the lock position now. As you can see, all the gauges are brought forward and to the person in the wheelchair. This particular driver is a quadriplegic and has right hand dominance, and they are using a joystick to control this unit. It also allows for the typical driver to sit in that seat and drive, or they can give full controls to, obviously, the joystick, and the person in the wheelchair can drive this with a joystick. Let's go to the other side and you'll get a better idea. This seat rotates out. Let's go ahead and start it. As you can see here, all our controls have 3D printed accessibility. That way, the person that's a quadriplegic, in this case, can access the buttons and turn the knobs with ease. Let's bring this joystick in. Okay. So right here, I'm going to use the joystick to turn. Apply throttle. And brake. That is all being used with this joystick. If you have any questions, visit us at mobilityquad.com and we can make a custom UTV for you and your family. I hope you enjoy this video, and Merry Christmas to everyone.